Hello everyone, in this video we are explaining about the thermography, water leakage thermography part 3. In this explanatory video we are showing a particular method, that is we call the hot water tracing method. So there are the two methods to trace any leakage within this wall or anything which is concealed, where with naked eyes we cannot detect. So we can able to detect with the two method. One is the hot water method, where we have to pour the hot water inside the pipe, and through the pipe it will detect where is the leakage and how the traces are happening. Another one, if there is some issue with your hot water, we can use the cold water, very chilled water, where we can pour the chilled water and we have to check where the chilled water goes with the thermal camera detection. So this is a particular bathroom now, and now we are explaining how we have to do it. So in the first stage we are doing a normal thermography. Here we can see here is the thermal camera. In the thermal camera we can see, so everything is almost uniform. Now from here you can see there are the tabs, 3 tabs. Now we have opened these 2 tabs. These pipes goes from here to this direction. So from here these pipes are coming here. Okay, and here are the pipes. We know already, we have to trace. So wherever this hot water goes, automatically this gives the different temperature signature. So presently we see there is no any different temperature signature, everything almost unified. Okay, here we can't see any a different signature. Here also we can see, you can scan from here. Pipes are that side. Okay, there are no many different signatures. Now we have to pour a hot water inside and we have to check where water it is going and from where are the leakages. So now here you can see we are pouring the hot water. The temperature it should be approximately 50, 60 or 70 degree. So you have to be careful that this should not hamper this connection, your this plumbing connection and all. If there are some cases where you are noticing that something will happen, so you have to use the very chilled water, ice water. So this hot water method we are using. Here you can able to see the traces. We have to wait for some time because to get the radiation at the surface from the wall, it will take some time. Now we added the enough hot water into the system like this, and now from here you can able to see the traces. These are the hot water traces. Here we can see the visibly clearly spot and all. Okay, now we will go and see. So here some traces we are getting. For example, here we are getting one pipe. The pipe root is here. Here we clearly see the 32.3 degree. That is a different temperature than the wall temperature. From here this corner we are able to see the traces. Clearly we can see from pipe, that direction pipe is coming in, we can see the traces. So here somewhere we can see the pipe. So it is taking some time to raise the temperature above the surface wall and all. So this is one method. With that we are able to detect any leakages, but this is a little time consuming. We have to hold the water for 20-30 minutes and then we have to wait for the result. Then we are able to see the traces. So this is a hot water method. In some cases, if you are unable to put a hot water because of some issues with the piping and all, if either it is a very thermosensitive, then you can use a chilled water. Chilled water means ice water. With that also you are able to see the traces. Okay, here you are able to see clearly. Once again you can show. You can take camera here back side. So from here we are able to see the traces. So some pipe is there, we are able to see the hot water. For here we are clearly seeing there is somewhere pipe temperature. In the same level we are able to trace. Here you can see there is a hot water pipe. So this is, we can see there is some leakage happening there, because in the other portion we are unable to see any hot portion and all. hot signature, but here we are able to see the traces because the same pipe continues till here, this direction. But here we can see the traces. So this is a hot water method for to detect the water leakage. Thank you.